Installing a stainless steel kitchen sink might sound like a job for a professional, but with the right approach, you can easily handle it yourself. In just a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to confidently install a sleek, modern sink that adds both functionality and style to your kitchen. Whether you're replacing an old, worn-out sink or setting up a brand-new kitchen, this simple step-by-step guide is designed to make the process smooth, quick, and hassle-free. Let's walk through how to install a stainless steel kitchen sink in 5 minutes. No plumbing experience required. Before you get started, make sure you have everything you need at hand. Your essentials will include the stainless steel sink, a sealing gasket or plumber's putty, a screwdriver, a wrench or pliers, the mounting clips that come with your sink, and a clean, dry cloth. If you're installing a sink with a faucet or sprayer, have those fixtures ready as well. Begin by preparing your workspace. Make sure the counter cutout is the correct size for your new sink. Double-check the measurements, length, width, and depth. The sink should fit snugly in the opening, with about ½ inch of overlap on each side. If you're replacing an old sink, turn off the water supply under the sink and disconnect the water lines from the faucet. Then, loosen the drain pipes and remove the old sink from the countertop. Clean the cutout area thoroughly, wiping away all debris, old caulk, or putty. A clean surface is crucial for a proper seal and a professional finish. Next, focus on installing the faucet and any sink accessories, such as soap dispensers or sprayers, before placing the sink into the countertop. It's much easier to do this now rather than later, when you have less room to maneuver. Attach the faucet, supply lines, and any other accessories to the designated holes in the sink. Secure everything tightly with the provided hardware, referring to the manufacturer's instructions as necessary. Now, it's time to seal the edge of the sink for a watertight fit. Take your sealing gasket or plumber's putty and create a continuous bead along the underside of the lip of the sink. If your sink comes with a rubber gasket, use that instead of putty. This step is important to prevent water from seeping underneath the sink and damaging your countertop over time. Be generous, but don't overdo it. Too much putty can squeeze out when you press the sink down. With the sealant applied, carefully lower the sink into the countertop opening. Make sure it's centered, and press down gently but firmly. The sink should rest evenly on all sides, with an even border around the edge. If any sealant oozes out along the edges, wipe it away with a damp cloth before it dries. Once the sink is in place, reach under the countertop to secure it. Most stainless steel sinks come with mounting clips. Slide each clip into its designated slot on the underside of the sink rim. Tighten the clips incrementally, moving from one side of the sink to the other. This even tightening pulls the sink securely against the countertop, ensuring a strong, stable fit and maintaining the seal you've just created. Don't over-tighten. The goal is a snug fit without distorting the sink rim or damaging your countertop material. With the sink firmly attached, connect the plumbing. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the faucet, tightening them with a wrench or pliers as needed, but be careful not to over-tighten. Reconnect the drain pipe to the sink strainer or garbage disposal, ensuring the fitting is watertight. Most modern sinks come with a simple locking mechanism for the drain assembly, but if yours requires plumber's putty, apply a thin layer to the underside of the strainer before tightening the nut below the sink. Double-check all connections and make sure the drain assembly is properly aligned. If your sink includes a sprayer hose or other accessories, follow the manufacturer's instructions to hook these up now. Once all connections are secure, open the shut-off valves under the sink and turn on the water supply. Watch for leaks around the faucet, supply lines, and drain, tightening any fittings as necessary. Run water into the sink, checking to ensure it drains freely and there are no drips or unusual sounds. As a finishing touch, clean up any remaining sealant from the edges of the sink. Use your cloth to wipe the stainless steel surface, removing fingerprints or smudges for a polished look. Admire your handiwork, a perfectly installed gleaming stainless steel sink that's ready for years of reliable use. A few practical tips can help your installation go even more smoothly. Always read the installation guide that comes with your sink. While the basic process is similar for most models, there may be small differences or helpful suggestions specific to your sink brand. If your countertop is made of a delicate material like granite or marble, consider placing a pad or towel over the surface as you work to avoid scratches. Remember, a proper seal is key to preventing leaks. If you spot a persistent drip after installation, double-check that all connections are secure and that the seal around the sink's edge is intact. Sometimes a small adjustment or an extra dab of putty is all it takes to solve the issue. When choosing your new stainless steel sink, consider its gauge or thickness. Lower gauge numbers indicate thicker, more durable steel, which can better withstand dents and resist all the bumps and bangs of daily kitchen life. Look for models with sound-dampening pads underneath for a quieter experience. Now, your stainless steel sink not only looks fantastic, but is also fully functional, ready to handle everything from meal prep to cleanup. You've added a touch of style and value to your kitchen, all on your own, saving time and money that might otherwise be spent on professional installation. With just a bit of preparation and a few simple tools, installing a stainless steel kitchen sink can genuinely be easy. In just a few minutes, you can transform the look and function of your space, celebrating the satisfaction that comes with a DIY job well done. Embrace your upgraded kitchen, knowing that every time you turn on the faucet, you're enjoying the results of your own handiwork.